It's in the plug. This, oh, it's right there. That was pretty, wow, that's a little piece of foil. It was down pretty good. 3 inches, 2.5 inches. Was that it? No, it's falsing a little bit. No, there's more in here. And there's more. Oh, aluminum cap probably. Oh, it's some more foil. Don't you love it when the lawnmowers cream the foil and it just blows it everywhere? Oh man. Okay. You know, you have good and bad day. Today is kind of a so-so day. It's like a 70. Right there. That's on the surface. Could be a penny, but I don't know. It's kind of high for a penny, but it could be. Right there. No? Did I lose it? Oh, right there. No? Probably felt whatever it was. Wow, maybe I just missed it completely. It's over here a little more, I think. Okay. Desensitize it just a little bit. Wow, where'd it go? It's like moving around. Ugh. Old people get to make funny noises. That's just a rule. And the older you get, the more noisy you get. Did I throw it out of the hole? No? Alright, let's put it back where it was. I know, Carol's gonna say, you don't have to do that. You just hit the button. I know. What is up with this? I don't think it was supposed to be that deep. I think it's just a really super deep target. And I'm wasting my time. Ugh. What do you think? Wasting my time? Or did I actually... Wait a minute. Saying it's right there. What the? Did I kick it out of the hole? I don't know. Oh, it's a penny. Not sure exactly where it was, but at least it flew out at me. Would have hit me in the head, that would have been good to teach me a lesson. Alright, that was a lot of work for a penny. This is unless you go to the beach, it's harder to get rich at the parks, I think. Make any money. But it's still fun. Still fun to dig the treasure. You never know what you're going to get. Wait a minute, there's another coin here? Could that be a dime? Or is that really deep one? It's saying it's 8 inches down. Alright, you know what I could do? I could dig it because I have a shovel and there's nobody around. I'm going to dig a big hole. Alright. And there's a tree right here. But that's okay. Alright. Don't tell anybody. Hey, I got out of the hole at least. Let's detune it. It's over here somewhere. I gotta figure out where I buried it at. Wow. Did I throw it in here? I'm going nuts. It's the mysterious. Let's say. I don't know what it hit the target. Hey, now we're cooking. So it's in here somewhere. Could it? No, it couldn't. It's not metal. It's not metal. That's not it. Where'd it go? It disappeared. It jumped down here now. Oh, how in the heck did that penny get over here? Did you guys see that? Or is this a dime? I think this is a dime. Oh, it's a dime. How in the heck did it get over here? Oh my gosh. My eyes are fooling me. That was a deep dime. Alright. Let's see if I can reconstruct this somewhat decently. I kind of massacred this hole. But it's in a very minutely used part of the park, so I'm not too worried. Okay. Hey, 3 dimes. And what, a quarter? Or maybe 2 quarters. 2 quarters. 3 dimes. That was a double target. Pretty cool. There's a 70-something number. Says it's on the surface too. Right there. Where are you? Come on. Right there. Well, this thing's really sensitive. On the surface, 74. That's probably a junk target. Probably. Let's detune it a little. It's on this side. No? Did I miss it completely and not dig the plug really good here? Oh my goodness. I'm gonna go. Oh, look what we got here. We got a aluminum cap, which you have to dig those puppies. That could have been a gold. No, that would have been higher number. Would have been like silver or something maybe. I don't know. Aluminum. Big chunk of aluminum. 74s aren't usually coins, so definitely figures 74. All right. So I've already hit the bottom area a long time ago when I came here, so I'm just going to hit the upper part here. It's probably a penny. Says it's pretty deep. Let me see something here. Right there. It's saying it's 4 inches down, 67. And it's soft dirt here. Let's just do this. Because I'm getting a little lazy, I'll do it this way. This dirt is really soft. Alright, now I can flip it right out. Flip it good. You flip it good, Ken. Alright. Did I miss it? Oh, just a really deep target, huh? But I don't mind. This dirt is really soft. Oh, there it is. I was reading 39, huh? For a piece of foil. Alright. Let's see. Gotta be more foil here, huh? I'm just curious. Is there more foil there? Probably slaw everywhere. Yeah. You never know. I've had it where it was like treasure, a coin or something, or something that was being masked. I forget. I had that happen to me once. So you never know. Oh, look at there's a coin. It was masking it. Alright. 57. Okay, here's 57 and the foil together. 58. A little bit different tone. Interesting. I'm still learning. I don't think I'll ever get this down perfectly. I'll just keep on trucking. Sometimes you just gotta dig it if you want to get the jewelry, because that could have been a ring or something and it was given that funky erratic tone because it had some trash right next to it. And you're never gonna know. Like Pastry Super Freak says, you won't know until you dig it. Wow. What? There's a lot of look at that machine gun here. Did I knock some stuff out of here? What is this? Is that this? Oh yeah. I knocked that out of the hole. Hey, guess what? I'm not sure what that is. Is it a coin? Another coin? Yeah. Oh my God, give me the double whammy because I was so close overloading. Yeah, that's a really crusty penny. Okay, I'll put you in here, clean you up later. So there was a double coin hole there. I knocked it out and didn't even know it. All right. Oh, this is like a reading like a dime. No, it's jumping around though. Reading like a dime maybe. It's pretty deep. It's right next to my other hole, so I'm gonna go over this way just a little bit. There we go. Double sectomy hole. That's probably a technical word for that. Wow, right there. No? Am I going crazy? What the? Huh? Alright, I'm not sure what's going on here. Oh, used to be some. It's wigging out on me. I got too close to my stuff here. Right there. Alright. Wow, where'd it go? Oh, got it out of the hole. Looks like another coin. Oh, that's a copper penny there. It's in good shape. But it's not a weedy, unfortunately. Well, that was way down there. About 7 inches down. Alright, I'll put you over here. Can't even tell I was here. Alright, And that's why you bring a shovel. Alright. That's a 42. Wow, there's a lot of junk in there. Pull tab. That's on the surface. On the surface. There. Maybe a ring? Where'd it go? Oh, it's a little washer? That's a little washer there. Oh, interesting. That was into it. That's why it's getting me the little double whammy hit. Had to open almost like a ring would do too sometimes. Okay. I think I'm gonna head my way back to the park over there. I have to fight the kids. I think I'll work my way over this way. Alright, let's carry on. We're going to head to the other side of the park over here. Don't forget to subscribe and like, guys.